Best place, very nice place. Exceptional, great place with an awesome location and really nice facilities and bar. Highly rate this accommodation. Everything about this place was fantastic. The kitchen is so well equipped to cook, the showers were so clean and large. Highly recommend the location, near Black Beach. Common facilities is very spacious. Dormitory queen-size beds is okay. They provided towels, many toilets and showers. Room and kitchen is big. Place is quiet though there is a bar open till midnight. I have seen staff at bar at 2 a.m. Overall experience is a new hostel, clean and nice staff. Nice view, nice facilities. It is next to the Black Beach Suites, able to see the northern light from the room or just outside the hotel. Nice view, nice facilities. It is next to the Black Beach Suites, able to see the northern light from the room or just outside the hotel. Nice view, nice facilities. It is next to the Black Beach Suites, able to see the northern light from the room or just outside the hotel. Great place. This is a lovely and cozy place to stay. Very clean. We had a great visit. Excellent all around. Absolutely phenomenal location, great staff and amenities. We, group of 3, were greeted by the resident dog when we arrived, which we all loved. Super close to Rentis Beach and the other surrounding attractions. We highly recommend staying here. Amazing stay, cool cozy vibes, happy hour bar, clean room and nice kitchen. And seeing the northern lights just right outside was the icing on the cake. Nicest hostel I have ever stayed at. This beautiful hostel was so clean and modern, you did not feel like you were staying in a hostel. I love that they have double bunks, nice for couples. Although I was traveling with my friend, it was still a nice and cheap option. Best hostel I've stayed in. This is one of the best hostels I have stayed in. We opted for a double room, so can't speak on the dorms, but the room had everything you need for a short stay. Bed was comfortable, bathrooms and showers were very clean and staff were friendly. I would absolutely stay here again. Best hostel I've ever stayed in. The barn was so lovely to stay in. It's so clean and there's plenty of shower, toilet, kitchen facilities. Lovely area to sit and chill. Very easy to find as it is just a short drive off the main road. The staff were also lovely and helpful during our stay. Would highly recommend.